Bring your feet together. Bring your hands underneath your buttocks. We'll do the fish. Inhale, come up. Make sure you round your chest. And as you exhale, bring your head back. Make sure you feel the stretch in the neck and your throat. Inhale, bring your head up. As you exhale, you lie down. Remove your hands. When we lie down in Savasana, we'll do the final relaxation. Keep your eyes closed. Legs, feet apart.